Right now, as Canada's federal elections are happening, an interesting story is coming from Hamilton. A Pakistan origin man named Rana Aslam is running in the elections, but he is still officially working a government job as an engineer. Here's a twist. Rana has only taken one day off from his work to contest the elections. Yes, just one day. He says that if he wins and becomes a member of parliament, he will officially resign from his government job on April 29th. But if he loses, he will simply return to his engineering job the very next day as if nothing happened. Aslam is contesting from Hamilton under the Liberal Party of Canada. He's getting very strong support from big names too. Even Canada's Prime Minister Mark Carney has visited Hamilton twice to campaign for him. Well, that's a big deal. Let's talk a little about his background now. Rana Aslam originally came from Multan, Pakistan and moved to Canada in 2003. He joined the Liberal Party in 2010 and slowly built his career over there, while also managing his family and completing his education in Canada. Today, he's trying to win from a part of Hamilton that struggles with many problems, like poor roads, lack of infrastructure, and economic challenges. In fact, in an interview, Aslam shared that US President Donald Trump's old tariff policies had badly hurt industries in Hamilton, specifically the aluminium factory. In just 1 month, Hamilton businesses had to pay about $3.5 million extra because of these tariffs. If he wins, then Aslam says that he will focus on building better roads, repairing infrastructure, and creating new jobs for his community. Now, you might be wondering, does he have a lot of Pakistani supporters in Hamilton? Not really. The number of Pakistani origin voters over there are actually very small. But Aslam says that his close Pakistani friends, along with many other minority communities, are standing strongly with him. He says that his main opponent is from the left-wing NDP party and the fight is quite tough. But political experts believe that Aslam still has a very good chance because the Liberal Party's popularity is rising in many parts of Canada right now. There's also something very overwhelming about him. Despite being part of such big elections, Aslam didn't campaign with a huge motorcade or dozens of security cars like many politicians do back in Pakistan. Instead, just a day before the election, he was seen walking around the neighborhoods, wearing a simple volunteer badge around his neck, meeting people with very small teams of young supporters. Now the big question is, will Rana Aslam become an MP and resign from his job on April 29th? Or will he quietly return to his job desk the next morning? Well, the voters of Hamilton will decide very soon.